Hi, so in this video I will show you how you can create dependency between two pick lists in OmniScript, right? So let me go to the object setup menu. Yeah. So I have two pick lists. First one is a country, that is controlling field, and a state is dependent field, right? So I have added some values here. If you see here, that is dependent on country India, and this state option dependent on Australia. And let me show you how it's work. Click preview. So if I select India in a state, option will be displayed related to only India. If you select Australia, a state option will be only displayed to Australia, right? Same thing we are going to achieve here in OmniScript. For this we have to track two element, select element. Go to here and type select. Yeah, this one you have to track here. So I have already dragged two select element here. The first one for controlling field and second one for dependent field. In my case, country is controlling field and state is dependent field. So let me show you how you can configure controlling field, right? So here just give name of element here, level, and in option source you have to select S object, and source here in source you have to select object name dot controlling field API name, basically field API name. So I have put it here, account dot country, and in controlling field type just put keep none. Okay, in dependent field you have to choose option source as a S object and source as a account, like object name dot dependent field name API name, right? So in my case, dependent field is state. Here in controlling field type I have selected S object. You have to select S object, and for controlling field source you have to select you have to put here controlling field API name, object name dot controlling field API name, means a state is dependent on this country, so you have to put here controlling field API name. And in controlling field element you have to put element name, controlling element name. So if you see, in my case I have country, that is this element name, country, this element name. Let me show you. Click on this, that this one, this value you have to put here in controlling field element name. Yeah, so let me show you how it's work. Click on preview. Yeah, let's test this. I'm selecting India. So in a state pick list, the state option will be display only related to India. If you see here, all options are related to India. If you select Australia, it will display only related to Australia. If you select Sri Lanka, a state option will be display related to Sri Lanka. Yeah, so it's perfect, it's working. Thank you, bye.